This is Loadmac, the truck-mounted forklift which is raising the bar. Our industry-leading 2.5-ton and all-new 2-ton machines offer unrivaled performance and reliability when a truck-mounted forklift is the right choice for your operation. From sheet metal right through to shipping, Loadmac is designed and manufactured end-to-end in our manufacturing facility in Ross-on-Wye, making Loadmac the only truck-mounted forklift made in Britain. The result is the highest levels of quality and workmanship. For quality that endures, every machine undergoes our unique rust-proofing process. Loadmac is the only truck-mounted forklift with the revolutionary and patented PVDC resin layer of corrosion protection applied all over. From our manufacturing facility, our product is shipped to customers throughout the UK and overseas, with a strong global presence in North America, Europe, and in Australia, the harshest environment in the world for truck-mounted forklifts, where Loadmac is the market leader. With multi-directional steering, short HGV overhang, and compatibility with most existing mounting kits, Loadmac offers true 2.5-ton and 2-ton lift capacity, more reach, better stability, man-on-the-ground mounting, and genuine one-side offload for faster unloading and loading. Once on the road, you have the full support and backup of our comprehensive dealer network. With procurement options including purchase, contract hire or rental, speak to our expert team today to find out about matching the right machine to your vehicles, products and site. For more productivity, more reliability and more efficiency, make Loadmac truck-mounted forklifts your #1 choice.